Look at that. Hi guys, for today's video I'm going to make a quick snack, a garlic cheese toast. So this is done. So I'm going that. So I'm going to put garlic butter first. Okay, focus this over. Tuhan, fokus dari cheese. Let's make cheddar and mozzarella. So it depends on you. If you like more cheese, just add more cheese. Well, Justin like more cheese, so I put more cheese. So I preheat my air fryer oven. So preheating time is around 2 minutes. So we're gonna wait until it's ready. So now my air fryer is ready. Now I'm gonna add my bread. So just put the bread in here. Look at that. Then put it back to the air fryer. So 10 minutes for 200 Celsius. So we will just wait until cooking timer is done.
A few moments later.
So it's 5 seconds to 1. So we'll see our garlic cheese toast. Look at that. Oh. So nag-istorya na ako, focus ako na, ha? Tapos inigbutan ako. It's ready, or my garlic cheese toast using air fryer. So just transfer the plate. Look at that. Look at that. Garlic cheese toast using air fryer. So easy, and I will try. What is? Look at that. See?